Hey guys, this is Alexandre Zar, and today I want to show you what I bought. It's a zero gravity sport touring windscreen. It's bigger than the double bubble windscreen. It's made by Zero Gravity. They pride themselves with being the #1 leading performer, the world's finest sport bike windscreens, best optics, best fit to fairing, race proven. This is the booklet. They have the standard windscreen, they have the double bubble, and they have the sport touring, which I bought. They also give you fittings and screws. Let me show you how it looks. This is the screen. It's quite tall. Has this label. It's got the Zero Gravity over here. I'm really pleased with how it looks. It's dark smoke tinted, not fully dark. Let's start installing it. The procedure to change the windscreen is pretty simple. You've got 3 screws, 1, 2, 3 on the left side, and 3 other screws on the right side, 1, 2, 3. Once I'll undo them, I'll take it off and put a side-by-side comparison. So this is a side-by-side comparison. That's how big it, by how much bigger this is. So height wise it's kind of the same, but it's way longer. I really like it. Really like it. Good. This is how the bike looks without it. I also have installed in summertime this stay for the voltmeter and gear shift. So this new dark tinted windscreen is gonna cover that area really nice. Yep. This is how it looks like. In real person it looks way more nicer than on camera. It's really menacing. It has an aggressive look. A side view would look like that. Here on this side you don't even notice this installed thing. Really love it. I love it.